In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete or remove saved passwords on Google Chrome and disable autofill in the Facebook app. Whether you're looking to enhance your online security or just tidy up your password manager, I'll guide you through the steps necessary to achieve both. Let's dive right in and start with Google Chrome. Begin by opening the Google Chrome browser on your device. Head to the top right corner of the window where you'll see a three dots menu. Click on this to open a drop-down menu. From here, select Settings. This is where you'll find all the options you need for customizing Chrome to suit your preferences. Within the Settings menu, direct your attention to the left-hand side of the screen and click on Autofill and Passwords. This area allows you to manage everything related to saved passwords and autofill options. Next, click on the Google Password Manager. This section will display a list of all the websites for which you've saved passwords. Now look through the list and identify the website whose saved password you'd like to remove. Once you've located it, click on the entry to proceed. For security purposes, you might be prompted to enter your computer's password or PIN to authenticate that you have permission to make changes. This step ensures that only you can modify sensitive information. After you've successfully authenticated, you'll notice an option to delete the saved password. Click on Delete, and voila! The saved password for that particular site is no longer stored in your browser. Having taken care of Chrome, let's move on to disabling autofill on the Facebook app. Open the Facebook app on your mobile device and tap your profile icon located in the top right corner. This will take you into your account's main menu. From this menu, select Settings and Privacy, then go to Settings. Now, scroll down to locate the Preferences section. Within this section, you'll find an option labeled Browser, which is where Facebook manages settings related to web browsing. Tap on Browser, and you'll see a toggle for Autofill Contact and Payment Info. Simply switch this toggle off, and you have successfully disabled the autofill feature for contact and payment information within the Facebook app. Congratulations, you've now completed both processes. By removing saved passwords from Google Chrome and disabling autofill in the Facebook app, you've taken an important step toward increased control over your online experience and enhanced security. Remember, regularly reviewing and updating your saved passwords and autofill settings is a good practice to maintain your online security. Thank you for joining me today, and stay tuned for more tips and guides on managing your digital life.